Hi, friends! Welcome to Adulting Life Diaries with Faith, where it's our weekly kwentuhan space about adulting, about life, and the beautiful, messy, and magical adventure at age 30 ish while still figuring things out. Alright, so for today's episode, gusto kong pag-usapan natin ang pahinga. Yes, rest. Sobrang simpleng pakinggan pero ang hirap-hirap gawin nang hindi mo mafe-feel yung guilt within you. Okay, story time. Alam niyo lumaki ako sa Philippines na I observe na ganito yung mindset natin. Laging kailangang may gagawin ka. Kapag wala kang ginagawa, sayang oras mo, dapat may sideline ka, productive ka every single hour. Lagi nating sinasabi yan, sayang oras, hindi pwedeng tambay lang, bawal tamad. And yes, it's all valid naman if we're saying those things. Pero back then, I realized na parang ang value ng isang tao, it's being measured how he or she's busy in life. Like if you do a lot in life, you're hardworking. But if you don't, parang ang tamad mo. And sobrang deeply ingrained siya sa culture natin, yung hustle mindset na yan. And nung dumating ako dito sa New Zealand, na-culture shock ako kasi people value balance. Like, people value weekends, breaks. And what I experienced would be they take real coffee breaks, they walk slowly, they don't panic during their vacant hours, they go home on time, and they even take their breaks on time. And they don't ever feel guilty on resting during weekends. At first, parang ang awkward kasi ang kalma nyo guys, wala ba kayong hinahabol? Ganon. May mga days na um, minsan 'pag wala akong masyadong lang, I wasn't lazy, I was just exhausted. I felt that. Got exhausted from years of thinking na laging may kailangan akong habulin. And kaya nung nandito na ako sa New Zealand, I felt like somehow nag-semi-retirement ako, I should call it. Kasi parang wala naman pala akong kailangang laging habulin in life. Gano'n. Pero here's what New Zealand taught me. Like, rest is not laziness at all. Like, girl, deserve mo yung rest. It's necessary. It's also part of growth. And hindi mo kailangang ma-burnout muna, sagarin yung sarili mo para magpahinga ka. Tapos hindi mo rin kailangang sabihin na, kailangan deserve ko ang pahinga. Because it's a natural part and should be a part of everybody's routine. Actually, dito ako natutong mag-slow down eh. Kasi nung ah, nandito na, nafe-feel ko na mas present ako sa buhay, I can allot or make time those things na mahalaga sa akin like um make time to those people na kasama ko sa bahay, make time for myself, make time for those important things na kailangan kong gawin. And when um when I rest, I tend to like think of creative ideas. Alam mo yung mas nakakaramdam ka lang ng peace kasi kalma lang, tahimik. Alam niyo yung ganong pakiramdam na okay lang minsan matulala, okay lang minsan parang you just pause for 5 minutes and then wala lang, ano lang, um, just take time to think and just actually kahit think nothing, parang valid siya dito. Di pala laging kailangang grind ka ng grind for you to be labeled as successful. And minsan ang pinaka kailangan mo lang talagang gawin, and that's what happened to me, would be like, "Wait lang, stop muna." Gano'n. And alam mo minsan, hindi na natin namamalayan na kahit physically ka nagpapahinga pero mentally, pagod na pagod ka kasi meron kang guilt inside na kahit nakaupo ka na, steady lang pero yung isip mo ang dami niyang iniisip. You know what I mean? Okay, guilty ka na wala kang na-accomplish today, guilty ka na 'pag natulog ka ng mahabang oras, parang may oras kang sinayang. Pero ang totoo, rest is not wasted time. Again, rest is not a wasted time. It's a way of protecting your energy para magtagal ka pa sa laban mo. Kaya kung ikaw nakaka-push mo sa sarili mo, this is a friendly reminder. You don't need to earn your rest because you deserve it. You don't need to apologize for slowing down because sometimes slowing down is the most powerful thing you can do. And rest is not quitting at all, is a part of the journey. Oh, sana after this episode, magpahinga ka naman, kaka-overthink mo, and like totally, you make time for you to rest. And that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening. See ya!